What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are back with this beautiful Mercedes-Benz GLA250 AMG line that we have right in front of us. Now before we get right to details, let's take a walk around to show you guys how beautiful this car looks with the white color exterior with tons of amazing red stitching with black stuff on the interior. So let's start off by taking a look at the front lights. Now let's go down here. They're using the LED high performance lights, as you can see down there. These are your main DRLs that will always turn on, and your light should be, main headlight should be right here. It's where it will turn on. But take a look at how gorgeous the front lights look. Now we jump right down to the bottom. You have your AMG line bumper, front bumper, which looks aggressive enough. You got this matte finish on the inside, got the gloss black finish on the outside. You do get some airflow happening right there for air to flow through. You do get the matte finish exterior lining that goes across to make it look very sporty, especially if it's black and white. You have a lot of these contra designs that you guys can see. The bottom piece here is in this chrome center front lip, which looks gorgeous. You got some airflow happening right here. Number plate goes right there. Tow hook is over here. You do get your started grille, which looks very nice with all this chrome texture at the front. You get tons of chrome lining here, over there, including the center badge also as well. Amazing design for the front grille, which looks absolutely sporty, man. Now you do get your Mercedes-Benz badging here in black and silver. On the front hood you get some lines on the front hood to make it look aggressive. At the same time it's very powerful. Now you do get the side here, have some lines. Now with the light coming in, it really helps a lot in showing you how gorgeous this car looks. At the same time, very aggressive indeed. Now the wheel arch, as you can see, is in this white finish. It goes across the whole wheel. You get an AMG engraved so-called badging at the side of the wheels. Drill disc brakes on the inside. You got a Mercedes-Benz cab in black and silver. Grey finish wheel on the inside. Silver lining on the outside. Very nice. You do get the tire size to be in 235/50 R19. Now they're using Continental tires for this, which looks fantastic, feels fantastic. Now at the side you do get your white side mirrors because it's a white car, so it follows the body color. You do get this matte finish for the holder of the mirror. You get your signal indicators right here. Very nice matte finish at the bottom. Chrome lining across the whole door. Go to the back, come forward. Very nice. The bottom piece right here, you get some chrome lining at the side, as well as this black center finish in this rough matte finish. Chrome at the door, white at the bottom. Let's pull that open, take a look at the doors. Now you do get this man-made leather on the interior part of things, soft and nice, leather on top. Red stitching goes across the whole door. Seat adjustments right here, memory seats. You got 3, handle to pull to open up the door. You got your window adjustments, handle to hold to pull to close the door. Compartment storage, speakers right down there. Amazing red stitching again. Hard plastic cover over there. Gorgeous design. Now for the side, before we get right to the passenger door, take a look at the Mercedes-Benz plate right here. AMG wording right down there because it's the AMG line. Your seats have tons of red stitching happening all over the place because it is an AMG line, so it has to look as sporty as it can be. Now let's jump right in and take a look at what we're actually looking at here. So we do have this bright finish plate right here, very nice, and you do have your air vents, speakers right there, amazing dashboard, sound system speakers up there, amazing screen, 3 air vents right here, and controls to adjust your climate, wireless charging. You got your type C and also 2 cup holders, and yeah, whatever that's necessary. So you do get your storage place right here. You got your driving mode, your volume adjustments up and down. This touch ID is for you to log into your own account, and of course you got your camera system right here. 2 type C charging down here with compartment storage down there, so it's beautiful. Now this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in black, very nice. Now let's jump right down. Before that, from the side, so I've not adjusted the front seats to suit me comfortably, but nevertheless let's leave it as it is, and let's go right down to the back seats. Take a look. These are how the doors look like. Again, man-made leather. You got this leather at the top, you got the red stitching right here, amazing. You have this hard plastic all the way down here, very nice. red stitching again. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. Window adjustments, door handle, speaker goes right down here. Compartment storage is over here. Take a look at the storage space. Plenty of room. Let's hop right in and sit. So, net to keep some stuff. Now I have not adjusted the front seats and yet I'm still comfortable already. So this is me sitting comfortably. Seatbelts in black, very nice. No centerpiece to put your cup holder and whatnot, but nevertheless you do get some storage right here. You do have two Type-C connectivities right here together with some storage at the bottom here. So let's hop right to the center and take a look. This is the view once again, and this is me sitting right here in the center. So very nice. So let's open the door. Let's get right down. Show you guys the rear wheel. So once again, you do get the tire size 235/50R19 AMG wording at the side of the wheel. Solid disc brakes right there. The grey finish on the inside, silver lining on the outside. Mercedes-Benz caps in black. Very nice Continental tires. Grips comfortably really well. Beautiful. Now let's hop right to the back and admire what we see from the back. So of course, once again, it's a white car. So with the white car, you get to see all the black finishes that are happening on this car. The design really shows, including the lights as well. So GLA250 right there. Love how sharp the light pokes up here. Very cool looking. Love the cuts that are on the bumper also as well over here. Now you do get this black finish of a rear diffuser, it is matte texture like finish. You do get some chrome lining from left to right. This aggressive looking rear diffuser with its lines popping down. Two exhaust pipes right there in this chrome kind of a finish. Very, very nice. Let's look right down. Take a look. Very, very nice indeed. Formatic wording because this is a all-wheel drive, of course. Badging right there. Let's open that up. Number plate goes right there. Very cool. And check out the space for the car. Tons of boot space, man, dude. Open this up. You have your tire repair kit and of course your other stuff that you should not be touching. But yeah, you have plenty of other space happening right here. There's a hook to hook some stuff, similar to what's over there as well. Now let's fold the seat right down. Pull this right there. Take a look. Amazing space. And once again, we can do it over here. Take a look. Amazing space as well, guys. Beautiful. Gorgeous, right? Finishing is superb. Beautiful finish. Love how it looks. Let's open this door. Amazing look. Oof. So that's how amazing the boot space looks like. Now let's jump right into the driver's side of things. Before that, the door. Window adjustments right here. And you do get your child lock for the rear windows, opening up of the doors, lock, unlock, seat adjustments front and back. Memory seats got 3, you have your side mirror adjustments, boot opening right here and also closing as well, compartment storage down here, again man-made leather, red stitching across the whole door, hard plastic at the bottom, speaker goes right here, Mercedes-Benz wording at the side plate right here, AMG wording at the carpet, sport pedals because it's the AMG line, lumbar support happening right here. Now let's hop right in by lowering the seat a little bit down because it's a bit too high up, but yeah, so let's also adjust the steering wheel. Lever is right there, as you can see. Cool. So this is a very nice stitching that we have right here in red. You do get these controls to control that screen, you get these controls to control that screen. Start button is located right at the back there. You have your wiper adjustments right here together with your signal to roll up and down, and you do have your gear shifter, drive, reverse, P, pedal shifter, the positive, the negative, and yep, cruise control settings right here, speed limit so you can set between you and the front car, auto start stop. So you do have, yeah, amazing controls right here to answer the call, reject the call, favorite button, voice command. Open this up, wireless charging once again, 2 cup holders, compartment storage right here, driving modes selector, and also your volume up, volume down. Very nice indeed for a steering wheel. This is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. Seat belts in black. You have your frameless mirrors happening right here, SOS call button right there. Mercedes Me, lighting adjustments, this up, light pops up, very nice indeed. Fabric lining on the top, very cool. So let's get right down, and light adjustments right here. Handbrake is also right there. So let's show you guys how the light looks like. So first thing, these are LED high performance lights. Now from the front, let's admire how gorgeous this car actually looks. So very sporty and very nice. Love the lining that's in straight line like that, very nice. Now let's close the rear boot to show you guys. Before that, petrol cap, press the button. Amazing rear design. Love how the lights are in this double line with a cut in the center, sharp and pointy towards the end. Very presentable looking car. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does the signal light appear to be. Now of course you get them at the side mirror. Once again, I mentioned white car, black finish for the lights, right? So you do get your yellow turn indicators right there. And at the bottom right here, you do have these in yellow, and the whole casing and housing of the lights are in black. So very sporty, man, when it comes to a car like this. Now let's jump to the back once more to show you guys. Take a look at the interior, black, exterior white, and also check out the back. Beautiful turn indicators right at the back right here. Very nice indeed, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage PJ, where you'll be able to locate this car and many more other gorgeous cars that we have all over the place, man. Check us out. Even outside there, they have plenty of cars right here. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.